Hello, my friends. It is day 19 of the Create and Bloom Advent Basket. Let us see what we've got in here. That is not my arm over there. FYI. And what do we have? Where's 19? There's 19. Much easier to find things now. And here we go. Pause you for just a second. All right, let us get this unwrapped. My own nail. Cut myself with my own nail. Oh, I see sparklies. Look at that. This is Jelly Bean Jive. Yes, that is true. That definitely gives jelly bean feelings. This is going to make some fun stuff. All right, bye.